Good morning, everyone. Actually, good afternoon, good evening, good night. You all know I wish everybody all over the world a good day. Now, the interesting part is take a look at the number 6669 views. Oh my God. It's so propitious. I want you all to understand that this is basically a good and evil situation. And if you're on the evil part, then you are making money. And if you're on the good part, you're helping save humanity. So, I haven't listened to this particular video, but someone sent it to me, and I guess we can watch it together right now, okay? So, enjoy
from a
this
professional
for a
point of
moment,
view, I mean, this is
we'll
criminal.
discuss it later.
This
Right.
is
Sorry.
criminal negligence. From a professional point of view, I mean, this is criminal. This is criminal negligence. I mean,
So in financial terms, if somebody did this with a financial deal, this would be called fraudulent inducement. You are creating the image of it being approved when in fact what you're getting is not, and you don't have, the indemnification means it's all on you, and to not disclose any of that is a material omission, and the engineering of it as a sort of pre-intended artificial device, this is fraudulent inducement.
Yeah.
So this would be, in a financial deal, you would have at least two criminal violations, in my opinion.
I would just like to say that the way this review process was conducted was criminally negligent. Right? We have abundant evidence of grave harm. We have thousands of deaths in the United States alone. At the very least, we have a larger number of probably permanent disability, damage to the nervous system, stroke, myocardial infarctions, and whatnot. And all of these data are available to anybody in bears, right? You see an abundance of grievous harm, and then they pretend that the safety situation gives so little reason for concern that we can skip the expert review altogether. If this is not criminal negligence, then I don't know what is.
Now,
From a professional
so he's a
From a
professional.
professional point of view, I mean, this is criminal.
Okay, what we're going to look at is the definition of FDA. Basically, it's Federal Drug Agency, I believe. Now, my research on this is it has been taken out of the taxpayers' funding and put in the funding of the manufacturers that use them. So it's a user fee funding. So now FDA in itself already now is a conflict of interest because they are a packaging design, basically they approve the packaging and the legalities of it. They are not, FDAs are not doctors, and they are going against everything scientific. What they're basically looking at is their fees and their ability to, I guess, grow their stocks wherever they have put interest in, they're involved in. They are also conflicted in that they are basically approving something that has caused harm, and these two people are talking about it. So I'm going to insert the FDA information that I basically got on Google, and you can read for yourself. It is basically funded by the manufacturers, so it's in itself in conflict of interest. And there should be a Nuremberg 2 trial, and I hope in the Nuremberg 2.0 I will definitely be the first victim from 1982. Hope you people understand the severity of what's going on right now. I guess it's impetuous, and obviously Satan doesn't want to show that there's 666. Annoying. Anyway, thank you very much. Watch, share, and please pass the information around so that everybody will understand that consent is very important. And based on Nuremberg trials, consent is required in any form of medical. And in 1982, when I was kidnapped, there was no consent all the way up to 2021. So right now, I guess I'm the benefit of you people, so that you guys will not face tyranny that I've faced for many, many years. Thank you very much for listening. And please subscribe so that we can keep together, and send your emails so that we can all get connected, and whatever form of communications if they decide to lock us and shut us down. We have to be together to fight this as one. Your Empress, thank you very much for listening. Enjoy. And thank you for sending me all the information.